yeah, 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 yeah. Guys, think how my nose is fun. Yeah, 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 yeah. Your skill, your skill, your skill. Yeah, yeah.
So guys, we are at the airport. I feel like we are a bit late, but Anne is telling me not to worry. Yeah, we're traveling to Cape Town at 6. What time is it? But our
6:12.
takeoff is at 7.
We just got here, but this one is already shopping. Wow. Nana.
Can you please open it?
Buy this now.
Which one?
Non-alcoholic.
Okay, let's take the grape one.
I didn't find my sneakers. So that's the first thing I'm doing right now, is to get them sneakers, child. Yeah. I want those ones. Yeah. See, I don't Vuka sabe mfethu. Ayikani. Ngiqophile. Ngokushiya mina. Usisi wami uyilahle phansi. Manje ngimtshela the plans for the day. Uthi yena ukhathele. But we made bookings, so we cannot cancel. We already late, first of all. So ma'am, please get up. Ayisukuma intombi. This is our view. Stunning. This is the mall that we went to. Just remember that I didn't give you guys a room tour. So from the door, okay, I didn't show it even. From the door on your left, that is toilet. Yeah, there's here. On your right is a covered space. Right. And over here it's a cupboard with tea stuff. It's a coffee and tea station, and then we have a mini fridge inside here. Also another cupboard space. There's snacks. Also cupboard space, tray with water, 2 glasses, metal glasses. This one you bought yesterday. Okay, let me just finish this side. This is more cupboard space and it's safe, obviously. On the left again, it is a bathtub. Very cute. Bean, clean towels down there, soap, glasses, basin, a mirror. So cute. Oh, I look so. I look so pretty. Looks so pretty. Another mirror where you hang a towel, and this cute picture over here, or painting or artwork. And another mirror. Another mirror this side. Also case. And this is the shower. Looking so pretty and whatever. Another towel down there. When you walk this side, a chair. I think this is when you do like your office work. Yeah, or bag, whatever. Iron requested for earlier on. Cell phone. Yeah, and more space here. There's more space. This is charging ports. Another port. The bird. The bed, our bed. And that cute decor, I really like it. It's so cute and pretty. Yeah, and from this side, this is the view. And there's another big mirror here. Love it so much. Then this is our view. And that is a mountain. I don't know what's or not, but that is the mountain. And that is the mall. Canal Walk Mall. So it is just right here. That is it from me to you guys with the room tour. Yeah. Hi Bo, ngilindele ngiyazi ukuthi angikho right. If you've ever read Hlomo the Wives and the Resident, all this now comes up something. Naledi his love mess ikunga. Cannot wait shit my phone. Just ordered supper. I'll have chips, salad and steak. This is my juice, my sister's juice. And this is her prawn curry, rice, salad. Yeah, bored. No comment, cha.